YouTube and StreamYard. Yeah, I think LinkedIn just made it a bit harder to invite people to the stream because now, yeah, if I'm in a theater mode, it's say upcoming, and then if I refresh the event, okay, yeah, watch. I think the now I'm live, so I'm in the theater mode, right? So don't know if anybody is gonna show up yet because the new interface of LinkedIn is fairly complicated. Right, so let's check. Do I have a real-time analytic here? This I don't like this new interface that LinkedIn's doing here. So yeah, like even the share screen. Yeah, I always need to remind myself that I need to add that to the share screen, right? And also for the YouTube. So for YouTube, I can do something like this. And I think YouTube banner needs to be changed as well. So all right, guys. So hopefully you guys get notified, and we can get started very soon. Right today, I don't have like yeah. I'm just checking if where I can check if there are like people showing up on the stream, right? So I'm using like my screen visible, and the YouTube is going to show streams usually show StreamYard, right? Or I can actually use I can instead of on YouTube sharing this screen, I can also use YouTube to show Athena, for example. Great. So yeah, on the YouTube side, I can show Athena. So yeah, I think one of the first thing I can show is like the building the AI agent. Right now we can have it in Athena. So here, for example, right. So I think just sharing the StreamYard is a bit better here because for the YouTube people, because YouTube is going to show. Yeah, I think doing on YouTube is a bit better. And for the StreamYard, I'm showing that. So yeah, like Gemini 3.1 is actually pretty good, right? Here I'm just showing something that we are working on. Of course, the AI agent, right? We have our own. I embed our own AI agent, our own Athena board inside the Athena AI agent, where you can chat and angry Pikachu image, or you can check something like Google interview flowchart diagram, right? And then it will just render here. We also implement OAuth. So yeah, and the OAuth token is permanent. It's more permanent right now. So we improve that animation. And yeah, that's so if anyone in the chat, please, let me know. And how can I check the comments? I do see a comment, I think, but is it picking it up on? Is it picking it up on the LinkedIn? Oh, I see it. It's really what's going on. Can post comment on LinkedIn. Yeah. All right. All right. So I think I actually get the comments. So I get the comments now, but it's not inside the comment. Okay, good. No worries. So I can just keep going. Right. So you see, like this is pretty trivial, right? Like basically we can show it. Then like I can say something like this. Create a create a Pikachu mug. I think uh it's gonna call the MCP tool that I define, right? So you see, you can running it's running that tool, and then you run generate image, and then with this sequence, not only is generate an image, and you will generate an image with the mug as well, and you can purchase the mug, right? So this is, but the thing I'm most excited to show is obviously the live, right? So you see, you create the image first, and it's working on the printify product. Of course, you can also click on that, and it give you the printify product. Just show that you can call another tool, and then eventually have that inside this chat as well. You see, it's create that automatically, and then I didn't even need to click on the button myself, right? You see, you generate that, and you generate this one. So yeah, this is an improvement over our AI agent system. And let me show you. There is the showing this, both sharing this tab, right? So now we have a new feature called live, right? I don't know if you, when I press that, you guys can see that, but you guys can see the screen for sure. So I can literally chat with Athena right now, right? So I chat with Athena right now. I can share the screen as well. So I have my mic on. Oh, hi Athena, how are you?
Hello, I'm doing great. Thank you. It sounds like you're all set for something interesting with your Mac there. How can I assist you today?
Yeah, I'm streaming.
That's exciting. Streaming can be a lot of fun. Are you looking for tips on optimizing your setup, brainstorming content ideas, or something else?
Athena, I'm showing some of your own capability on stream. Can you tell a bit more what you can do, Athena?
Certainly, I'd be happy to. Beyond just answering questions and generating text, I have some powerful capabilities that set me apart. For instance, I can visualize answers, creating diagrams, charts, and even travel recommendations that ChatGPT cannot. I can also generate specific content, such as code for web pages or detailed exercises in math, chemistry, physics, and biology, complete with latex formatting. Plus, I can help with practicalities, like setting reminders and even recommending discounted products. Is there any particular area you'd like me to elaborate on?
Yeah, I mean, like, I'm
For
just.
example, I can create a custom web page. Just exploring? That's great. Feel free to guide me to whatever catches your interest. We can dive into a specific demonstration or just chat.
All right, all right. I hope everybody can hear that. Like, I mean, I'm live streaming, so I was just talking to the stream and let them know that they can hear your voice.
That's great. I'm glad everything is coming through clearly for your audience. Happy streaming, and let me know if anything comes up.
Yeah, like one thing I want to show everybody is, for example, I can share another screen and then you can help me, right? So,
That's a great idea for your stream. Yes, I can definitely help based on whatever you share, whether it's brainstorming, troubleshooting, or providing specific guidance. Just let me know what you'd like to do.
Yeah, let's do this. For example, right? I want to file taxes. Like let's go and like share this screen instead. So
Okay, switching screens.
do you see my screen now? Which link should I go? Because this is so confusing. Like this is basically this company selling their software, right? I should ignore it. I want to just go on like CRA directly. So right, like the tax agency directly. So which link should I go? This is so confusing with Google search these days with the AI results, sponsor results, right? Yeah. So now I'm on the now I'm on the government of Canada website, right? So what should I do? Like this is again, there's so much many links. Like what like where should I click? All right, good, good. That's good. For me, I just want to see I don't know if if I have investment other expense no other stream of income, which like where should I go? You are seeing me scrolling through this page. Okay, what's new for 2025? Actually, this is interesting. I mean, any of these changes like involve is a multi stream of income and investment, return on investment, etc. Which one? All right, thank you, Athena. I think this is good for now. I'll check that myself. And yeah, thank you for helping. All right, guys, I think I'm just muting Athena over here. Yeah, so this is basically the live assistant, right? Like basically, you can share the screen with the live assistant, and by just chatting, I think you guys can hear, right? Like I'm putting my speaker on so that you guys may hear what Athena was saying. So this is a very powerful feature where you can just go on, like if you're confused on the web UI, you can ask. Also, for example, you can also ask Athena to a Google search, right? So I can say something like, Athena, how's the weather in Montreal today?
It is partly sunny in Montreal today, March 5th, 2026. The current temperature is 23 degrees Fahrenheit, which feels like 10 degrees Fahrenheit. There's a low chance of snow today.
How's that in Celsius? Can you tell me this in Celsius? Oh, I think. Oh, yeah, it's real.
That's approximately negative 5 degrees Celsius, and the feels like temperature is negative 12 degrees Celsius.
And how's. Oh, I think we got. The session is too long, so I need to. When that happens, all I need to do is end and start again. So, hi, Athena. How is the weather in Toronto today? I think it's lagging a bit because Athena, how's the weather in Toronto today?
I'm sorry, I didn't quite catch that. Could you please complete your thought? What is lagging? To give you the most accurate weather forecast, could you please tell me your current location?
Toronto. I think it's just slow, so let me just refresh. Hi, Athena. How's the weather in Toronto today?
Today in Toronto, it's quite cloudy today, with the high around 37 degrees Fahrenheit and a low of 32 degrees Fahrenheit. There's a high chance of light rain during the day. It might be a good day to pack an umbrella.
I'm going to Toronto next Tuesday. How will be the weather then?
Next Tuesday, March 10th, in Toronto, the forecast indicates partly sunny weather with the high of 52 degrees Fahrenheit and a low of 42 degrees Fahrenheit. However, be aware there's a 70% chance of rain showers at night. You might want to keep those wet weather gear handy for the evening.
I see. And is there any news in AI today or yesterday?
Yes, there were some significant developments yesterday, March 4th, 2026. Key highlights included OpenAI made headlines with a massive private funding round, raising $110 billion at a staggering valuation, and announced partnerships with Amazon and NVIDIA. AI and financial services. A report from FinTech Futures indicated that the financial services industry has reached a tipping point, moving from experimentation to execution with AI, emphasizing responsible scaling. Workplace impact. The debate around AI and jobs continued, with major corporate decisions like Block's layoffs being cited as AI driven. It seems progress is moving quickly across various sectors.
All right, that's cool. That's cool. That's very some hot news lately.
Indeed, it's definitely a rapidly evolving field. Is there any particular aspect you'd like to know more about, like the impact on specific industries or future trends?
No, no, good for now. Thank you.
You're very welcome. Feel free to ask if anything comes up.
All right, so this is the main feature I want to show, like basically sharing your screen, doing Google search, all through voice. And also, Athena is speaking back at me with on speaker, right? Like you guys see the transcript, but it's actually in speaker. I don't know if you guys can hear. Sometimes it doesn't like the speaker is not working with live stream for some reason. Uh, I hope you guys heard what Athena was saying. And so yeah, and we also have improvement on the Nano Banana 2. We got Nano Banana 2 in Athena right now, right? On Gemini 3.1, this Gemini 3.1 image. Of course, we have a regular Gemini 3.1, which has improved capability on like web design, right? So, like increase capability in everything, such as web design, coding, like just reasoning, right? This is generating the Pikachu over here, and now you can just edit here directly here, right? Edit this image, say turn this, turn it to black, right? Right now, the image generation is fairly fast with Nano Banana 2 over here. Right, and now you can upload up to 10 pictures and then yeah, do an image creation on 10 pictures at a time. And also we want to release the live feature as on Athena agents as well, not just yeah, you see, turn that into like a black and white, right? And you can just further edit that. Of course, like the web page one too, right? For example, yeah, like let's say you uh yeah, let's just like build a presentation about chat about Google Gemini in HTML, CSS. And now, as you do, like I can also read, like we also add the edit button on the when you are building any kind of HTML, CSS content that is shareable. I'm now building all my presentation this way, right? So now it's yeah, it's generating the web page. Yeah, the live feature will be very powerful if you can be part of the agent. For example, right, for your product onboarding, for your company onboarding, you can ask the person being onboarded just like a chat with the agent, a chat with the live agent, right? And you can guide them. Oh, you see, it's here. Wow, this is actually pretty nice. You see how good the capability of, yeah, like it looks beautiful here, and you can edit the code here, right? So for example, you can say add 10 more slides, right? Add 10 more slides, and then you will start coding again. It's reading the file, it's reading the code, and then you will start generating the code. You'll see. Here's a complete updated code HTML file. Keep the beautiful dark mode design and animations intact and seamless. Integrate 10 new slides detailing Gemini's architecture, developer ecosystem, mobile feature, and the specific multimodal capability. Right. So now it's generating. It's crafting. Right, now it's done. And we have the preview here. Now we got the preview here. Right, we have the animation fade in. You see now how powerful Gemini is. Right. Oh, here is a bit cut here. We can definitely fix that. But you see, like you can just build a very beautiful slides right now. There are tons of like AI apps that build slides for you, but now I can just one shot that with Gemini, right? Yeah, the future is multimodal, guys. Right? I just show you the multimodal capability of Athena, which is mainly powered by Gemini over here. So yeah, now we have I show you the modality with voice and real time, with image early on, and now with coding like a slice in real time, and then of course you can either edit that further. The beauty of that is with the multi-turn editing, sometimes you have too much context. With this button, you start a new conversation with this existing design, which is make life way easier. All right, I think that's it. Where I'm done with the stream. Hope you guys enjoyed the stream, and I will see you guys later. I'm ending the stream. Probably gonna stream again the same time. Now I'm back next Thursday, the same time. All right, I will be in Toronto next Thursday. I'm going to see some of you in Toronto next week or the week after. I'll be there. I'll be in there for months. All right, take care, guys. Bye bye.